One of the times that people get hurt the most is actually when they're doing their everyday activities, like making coffee, making tea. It's in these little things that we do every day where we can really start to change our habits. So let's look at just how to pour hot water. Let's look at pouring hot water from a tea kettle into a cup. Seems like it should be simple. What most people would do is they're just in their mode trying to get things done. And as we know, get it done mode can really screw you up. So if you were going to take something heavy, like a big heavy thing of water, and you're short like me, so the counter is already pretty high up on you, you're probably going to take this thing and lift it with the top of your shoulder and then pour. And you're really cramping all of these shoulder joints. And if you have any arthritis at all in your shoulder, it's gonna hurt like a mofo. All right, so instead, I'm gonna practice what I've practiced with all my other activities, which is coming forward and up to pick something up. And I'm being loosey-goosey as I pour, loosey-goosey as I pour, loosey-goosey as I pour. And I'm actually on my tiptoes right now. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come slightly forward to put the object down, just to make the maximum space in my joints as I move from moment to moment.